In a quaint town nestled amidst rolling hills, Mr. Thompson, a dedicated teacher, was the beacon of knowledge at Oak Ridge High. Every morning, he arrived before the dawn, preparing meticulously for his classes, fueled by a passion for educating young minds. Despite his unwavering commitment, the management and principal, consumed by bureaucratic woes, frequently delayed the disbursement of teachers' salaries. Months passed, bills piled up, yet Mr. Thompson continued to pour his heart into teaching, never letting his financial struggles dampen his spirit. The students, deeply inspired by Mr. Thompson's resilience and devotion, rallied behind him. They organized protests, penned heartfelt letters, and stood in solidarity with their beloved teacher, demanding justice from the indifferent authorities. In the face of adversity, Mr. Thompson and his students forged an unbreakable bond, united by their shared pursuit of knowledge and justice. Their collective efforts caught the attention of the wider community, prompting a wave of support and calls for change. Ultimately, their perseverance paid off. Moved by the overwhelming support, the management relented, and the long overdue salaries were finally disbursed. As Oak Ridge High rejoiced in their hard-won victory, Mr. Thompson stood tall, a symbol of resilience and the indomitable human spirit. In the end, the story of Mr. Thompson and his students served as a poignant reminder to society that even in the face of adversity, when hearts and minds unite, anything is possible. Together, they had shown that education is not merely a job, but a noble calling, deserving of unwavering support and respect.